This is how you will meditate for healing meditation. Meditation can be a powerful tool for healing and promoting overall well-being. Here are some approaches you can explore. 1. Total Meditation Technique by Deepak Chopra. Find a quiet place to sit and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Place your attention in the middle of your chest and breathe easily. Continue until you feel calm and centered. 2. Guided Healing Meditations. Try guided meditation videos specifically designed for healing. For example, 15 minutes guided meditation for healing and recovery focuses on positive energy visualization and raising your energetic frequency. Powerful guided meditation for healing and letting go helps cultivate gratitude and self-forgiveness. Guided meditation for healing body and mind synchronizes your mind and body for conscious healing. 3. Simple breath awareness. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Breathe in while saying breathe in your mind, then breathe out saying breathe out. Focus on this circular breath and the simple words in your head. Remember, consistency matters. Even a few minutes of meditation several times a day can make a difference. Choose an approach that resonates with you and practice regularly for healing benefits. Join my community in Facebook at Manifestation Meaning.